Nice.
Alright, so that whole instruction on design for a little bit and program for most of it, we didn't follow that. We put our effort into the design. So anyways, needless to say, here's our game. Basically, we took the tiny world concept and we made a God mode sort of a game. So you are basically playing the god of these villagers here. Your your control for the game is basically you control the position of the moon in the sky in relation to the Earth. And depending on where the moon is in the sky will affect the tides. So waves will come in and wipe out the different villages that are on the land, and you can control with the moon which villages get wiped out and go from there. So basically you're a malevolent god. You're not a nice guy. You want to wipe out as many villages as you can so that you can show them who's boss and so that they'll respect you. So you have a couple meters here. I know it's kind of cut off by the top there, but this is basically your level of reverence. So if a lot of people fear you, then that's going to go up all the way, and then you'll be able to progress to the next stage. You also have your own temple here, so that's the villagers' way of honoring you. So if you move your moon over too far and accidentally wipe out your own temple, then that's going to reduce your reverence level and make you play for longer, and you might not be able to pass to the next stage. And then there's also a power meter too, so it's sort of like you select the position of the moon in the sky, and then sort of like the golf games or whatever to control the power. There'll be sort of a running bar, and then when you hit enter, it'll stop the bar and give you more power to destroy more stuff. So yeah, basically that's our game. There's not a lot of motion to it, as I said, but once you've selected your position in the sky and selected the power of your wave, then a nice wave comes through. And then once the map refreshes, these little icons right here will pop up over the different buildings that you've destroyed, signifying that there was a building there and now it's been wiped out by your godly powers. That's it.
No, actually, I had a few quick questions. I see you using Construct 2. I mean, was that the original tool you guys had in mind to use, or what made you want to use that tool?
Not one of us had ever used it before coming here today.
Okay.
So we were like, hey, we're going to program something real quick. And then we realized we didn't really have time to do a bunch of coding, so we threw ourselves into this. And yeah, you can tell how much programming we got done.
At least the design's good.
Yeah.
The idea then later for maybe later maps would be to have multiple moons that you can adjust at different levels for more strategic gameplay.
Cool. Very nice. Well done, sir. All right.